Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to get into a locked door. We had a grandchild lock us out of the bathroom the other day, and we didn't have the little key to unlock the door, but fortunately I knew the trick to unlock it, and I thought I'd share that just in case anyone else is in a similar situation. What we've got is a lock that has a push button, and what you need to do is put a paper clip or a piece of wire into the lock and you just push it until that lock snaps. Now if you have the twist type of lock, you need a small screwdriver, stick it in there and just turn that lock and you're in. And if that doesn't work for you, then there's another way you can do it. But you've got two separate situations. One is a door that opens away from you and one is a door that opens towards you. So let's start with the door that opens away from you. Take a plastic bottle, a pop bottle or something works perfectly. You can use a knife or a pair of scissors. I'm going to use scissors because I believe it's safer. You want to cut both ends off of it. And then you're going to cut this plastic like that so you can unroll it like this. Then what you're going to do is bend about a half an inch of that plastic inward so it looks like this. Then what you're going to do is slide this in between the door and the stop, and you're going to just work it down until it pops that door right open. Now if you're on the side of the door where you would pull the door towards you, you need to do a different technique. Let me show you. Sometimes you can use a butter knife, and what you're going to do is try to push on this and use it to move this latch in to where you can open the door. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What you'll do, you'll push it maybe a millimeter. You'll pull this out so that the pressure of the door will hold that latch in place. Then you'll push it another millimeter, and after 4, 5, 6 tries, you should be able to open the door. Let me show you. Look at that. It's that simple. The last technique for opening a door, if it pulls towards you, take that piece of plastic, cut a notch out of it. You can try to get that plastic to pull this latch as you pull it towards you. I've got a notch. I also want to put a little bit of a crease in it so it can get back behind that door. Okay, so I've got it down here at the level of the knob, and I'm just going to slowly pull it towards me. Look at that. It's right there, pushing that latch. The door opens right up. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.